Bro, I need help. Come here.
I literally just got him with the sword.
Yeah, I know, bro. I need a shotty. Shotty.
Got him.
Can I have those minis?
Sure.
Thank you. No, bro. Someone's got the. See,
Do you want the SMG?
No, no. You keep it. Wait, what? Oh, you got a sword? Thank you, man.
Where are these kids?
Wherever they are, I'm gonna kill them. In Fortnite. Oh! Jeez.
Crap.
Should I brush you? Oh!
My God. Why do you have an infantry rifle?
I don't know.
I'm actually just going to go to the same place I died for some reason. I don't know why.
Oh.
I'll die quickly. Just build a wall. Build a wall.
I killed him.
Oh, you killed them. Yes. Save some loot for me, will say, please.
Okay, bro. You take the sword, I'll take the grapple. Let's just go, bro. Oh yeah, pop those.
Let's go.
Pop those minis, bro. Certified Poggy boy. And let's just go. I wanna live, let's go. Bro, where are these kids, man? Bro, you're not Superman, bro.
I'm literally just gonna try to kill people with my kinetic blade.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I died a storm. I died a storm. Come on, bro, just run, man, run. Run, you don't Oh, yeah, yes. Trap. Trap, bro.
Just run.
Yeah, okay.
Bro, what? The stormers are already dead.
Yeah, I know, right? Dude, it's already new storms up. Almost. Oh, wait, yeah. Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, retro raggy. Wood. My favorite mats. Dude, I died to storm.
Like, no one even thought I was here, and I literally just killed them. I was literally boxed up.
Oh, yeah, no, bro. I got 3 kills on me. Yeah, bro.
But where's this guy's teammate?
Okay, Batman. Oh, wait, what you did?
Is a kid there? For a build.
I don't have any match.
If you're gonna heal, you have to box up.
Yeah, I know, but I don't have any match. What kill?
Oh, I want it. I want it. How mean.
Sorry, bro. You want this?
Oh,
Yeah.
can I switch shotgun at my place?
Yep. Oh, I only have 9. Yeah, you can have that. Bro, you can have that. Sweet, bro. Kids over here. Supply drop.
$31 shield.
Out of here. Oh, I just got sniped from behind.
Just
me.
press reboot.
Okay, bro. Yeah, take my legendary if you want. You don't have to.
And just go somewhere else.
Wait, why is the circle so small already? You kill him. Shoot, bro. Oh, you don't. Oh. Got just. Wait, what? Oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Build.
Are you kidding me?